Welcome to Draw Along. I'm Rob, and today we're drawing a super cute dinosaur. It's got a swooshy tail, tiny sharp claws, and it loves stomping through the jungle looking for snacks. Take a look at the final drawing. Do you think you can keep up with me? Grab your pen or pencil and let's draw. Okay, we're ready to start. Put your pen on the left-hand side of the page near the top, and we're going to do a wibbly wobbly curving line heading up towards the top of the page. When you're near the top, start curving it around and do a big curving arc shape and then round off, and this is the nose of our dinosaur. Then follow it back and just kick it in slightly as if you're making a smiling shape. Now we're going to draw the arm. We're going to draw a little curving line outwards, then draw 3 zigzags for the claws. Just take a look at that. And now we're going to match that shape back into the body. Now we're going to draw the bottom of the dinosaur. I want you to think about a potato shape here and draw a big curving oval, leaving about 5 centimeters on the bottom of the page, and meet that shape in the middle of the nose section at the top. Now we're going to draw the second arm, match it across the top, and then draw another curving line in the same direction. And draw your zigzags in again for the claws. Then match the line back up towards the top. We'll now draw his belly feature, and we're going to draw a curving arc and match it to the top of the second arm. Join back up at the bottom end, and then a few wavy lines down towards the base of the body. Next we're going to draw the tail, and it's a banana shape. We're going to draw upwards in a little curve, and then like a banana, point backwards towards the body. And now we'll draw the legs in. These are little curved square shapes. So not too big, just draw down diagonally, curve around, curve back, and meet the body again. Do the same on the other side, just curving the opposite way, and then diagonal back to the body. For the toes, we're just going to draw 3 triangles. 1, 2, and the third one. And do the same on the other side. 2, and 3. Right, we're almost there. Okay, the next thing we need to do, just having a look, is of course the eye. Right, we're going to draw quite a big circle. Big circles make cute eyes, okay? Doesn't matter if it's a perfect shape or not, just somewhere in the middle part of the head. Nice big circle. And then draw a big semicircle on the right hand side for the pupil. And then we're going to shade that in black. You can leave a little circle as if there's a kind of glint in the eye, or you can just shade it in, it doesn't matter. And now draw a little oval on the end of the nose for the nose hole. And lastly, you want to put a little smile in, so a little curving shape. You can exaggerate it if you want. We're just doing a sort of gentle one here. And lastly, just a few little details. Draw some little light circles around the body, wherever you like. I'm drawing them just by the neck, here down underneath the chin. Just some little blotches for the skin, and we'll colour those slightly differently for a nice feature. So I've done some on the tail there as well. Right, we're almost done. Just a few lines to give the belly a little texture detail. Slight curve on them. 2 or 3, maybe 4. Working down the body and just curving with the way you think it would go. And finally, we're going to draw some plant details in, okay? So grab your pen and you want to draw a curving line upwards and then a wibbly wobbly wave all the way around. Doesn't matter if it's big or small, you do what you want. Don't need to match the lines up either. 2 wibbly wobbly waves and we've got a kind of fern leaf. Draw a few little light triangles with curves on them for the grass. Again, a few wibbly wobbly lines in the background. Don't be too exact with it, just do it whatever you feel. And then match on the other side, nice curve. And then again, wibbly wobbly lines either side. And we've got some vegetation or ferns that he's standing in. Alright, that's pretty much it for the dinosaur. Now we're going to add, just after I do these grass tips, we're going to add a little dragonfly that he's looking at. So we want a kind of keyhole shape here. So what shall I do with a pen? Sort of quite a long oval. When you get to the top, we'll draw the head. So draw 2 little C shapes, and then draw in 2 little balls for the eyes on the top. It's quite a big dragonfly compared to the dinosaur, but we'll stick with it. And finally, we draw the wings. So again, two looping shapes on the left-hand side. Could be big or small, it's up to you. And 2 looping shapes on the right-hand side. And we've got our dragonfly. And the last thing we're going to do is do a sort of a swirling shape to give it a sense of movement. And you see what I'm doing there. I'm just looping the pen round and back. And there we have it. We've finished the pen artwork. I hope you enjoyed following along. Right, on to the relaxed bit, the colouring. I'm going for greens, blues and yellows, but you can go for whatever colour you like. There's no rules here. So off we go. That's it for this draw along. I hope you've enjoyed watching or drawing this cute dinosaur. If you had fun, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you next time.